it on? Hey, it's Abby. I'm gonna sing "This Is Me" by Demi Lovato. I've always been the kind of girl that hid my face, but it's time to tell the world what I've got to say. But I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know, this is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Do you know what it's like? Feel so in the dark. It's a dream about a life where you're the shining star. Even though it seems it gets too far away, I have to believe in myself. It's the only way. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me, yeah. Thanks.
Watch next time at Abby and Kennedy. Or search up YouTube. Blazer Girl 2222. Watch again later.
Blazer Girl 2222 to make it easier.
Same thing.